Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to change your age on Roblox. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your age on Roblox, then remember that you will not be able to change your age on Roblox if you are under 13 years old. However, you can do it if you are over 13 years old. Make sure that you open up your Roblox application or simply go and type in roblox.com on a web browser and make sure that you're logged into your Roblox account. For the users above 13 years old, there is a simple way you can change your age. From the main homepage, tap the three dots at the bottom right-hand corner and tap Settings from the More menu. Tap on the Account Info button from the Settings tab. Now, scroll down under Personal and go ahead and change your age by selecting from the drop-down. Once you are done with the changes, tap on Verify My Age. You will now need to upload a driver's license, passport, ID card or residence permit. That can go ahead and verify your identity. Tap on Start Session and make sure you have your documents ready with you. Tap on Let's Go and follow the prompts. Allow necessary permissions, for example, camera, and scan your passport, driver license or your ID card from the camera. Once you do that, you'll be able to change your age on Roblox. After your age has been changed, tap on the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Now tap OK in the pop-up, and that is how you'll be able to change your age on Roblox account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.